Are you currently having problems with your Cash app being stuck on the black screen? Basically, when you open it up, you cannot open it and you want to be able to actually fix this. Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because actually, me myself, I had the exact same problem before, and I'm going to show you how I was able to fix it. So basically, what I did myself firstly was that I firstly closed my Cash app, and instead I went into my settings app on my phone. So now when you're on your settings app, then what you're going to do on this page is to firstly scroll down in here, and then you're going to click where it says general. So click on general, and as you can see, you should now be taken to a page very similar to this, which is great. So on this page, we're just going to scroll down a little bit, and then you're going to click where it says storage. So click on storage. Now, as you can see, you should now be taken to a page very similar to this. So what you're going to do now on this page, we can just scroll down in here and we can find the Cash app. So I'm just going to keep scrolling down in here until I can find the Cash app, and here it is, as you can see. So click on your Cash app in here, and now on this page, what you're going to do now is to firstly click on offload app, and now once again click on offload app in here, and just wait a couple of seconds for this page to load, and then you should be able to get this blue button in here once again, which is great. So click on the blue button here again. So basically what will happen now is that you will now be able to completely update your Cash app to the absolute latest version, which you need to be able to do to be able to potentially fix this problem. So I did this myself, and I guess that by doing this you will get the newest update, and if the app has released a new update, they probably require us to get it to be able to fix all the bugs that was in the previous one. So try this, go back into the app when it's done. As you can see, you can go back when it's actually has been done loading. As you can see, go back into the app, and hopefully now it's working for you as well.